Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement, and on the right, we have the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills. Get ready for some close shaving action, folks. Let's kick things off with the all-important price tag. The Braun Series 7 replacement head comes in at a reasonable $48, while the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills are a steal at just $23. Cha-ching, looks like product B takes the lead in this category. Now, let's talk performance. The Braun Series 7 promises peak performance by recommending a replacement every 18 months. With over 6 million hairs cut during that time, it gradually reduces cutting performance. On the other hand, the FlexSeries Blade Refills from Freedom Grooming offer a smooth shave with their 5 fresh rotary blades. Plus, they can be used wet or dry, with or without shaving cream. Talk about flexibility. Product B snags another point here. Time to see how easy these products are to use. The Braun Series 7 replacement head attaches easily with just a click. One small investment and your shaver is reset to new. Meanwhile, the FlexSeries head from Freedom Grooming is a breeze to replace and clean. Just change the head attachment and rinse the blades underwater. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, both products excel in this category, so it's a tie. Quality matters, folks. The Braun Series 7 replacement head is proudly made in Germany, a country known for its craftsmanship. On the other hand, the FlexSeries Blade Refills are brought to you by the trusted brand Freebird. They're known for their quality, innovative products, made for the best shave. It's a tough call, but we'll give a point to both products for their commitment to quality. The Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement and the Freedom Grooming FlexSeries Blade Refills bring their A-game to the shaving arena. It all comes down to personal preference and your budget. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. If you have any suggestions for future face-offs, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.